Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. A very good afternoon to you all. Here we go then. We are back with the close-up coins game. An example is on the screen now. You're going to see 6 close-ups, all of Beatrix Potter 50p coins in this video. As you can see on the left there, the smaller picture will be the close-up of one of the coins. And again, when we show the answers, you'll see the full coin like you see there on the right hand side. 6 coins up for guessing again, so all you need to do is comment 1 to 6 in the comments and put your answers next to them. Now, we haven't actually been through the answers from the previous close-up coins just yet. The file is being a little bit temperamental, but once it's sorted, I'll get that uploaded as soon as possible. Again, I really am enjoying this game. It looks like everyone else is as well. But if you want to see your own game featured on the channel, please do comment it there in the comment section below how the game should take place, and I'm more than happy to try it. Again, some of these will be a little bit more difficult than others, and it is actually put on a loop so you can concentrate without me talking in the background as well. We'll look through all of the answers on Saturday morning, and hopefully you can get them all right. Again, a huge shout out and a thank you to everyone that's subscribing to the channel. You guys are all simply amazing. I'm going to get out of here before the final one comes on for number 6. Sorry if it is a little bit difficult. Stay safe, and as always, guys, thanks for watching.